Hello, welcome to step 3. Alright, so today we're on page 58, 13b, taking risks. So everybody open up your books. Alright, so today we're gonna learn about the contents involved with taking risks. So my first question is, are you more of a risk taker or are you more of the person who likes to be on a safe side? So that is my question, and that is the main content of this lecture. Alright, so risk taker. So what kind of adjective can you think of the term involved with risk taker? So risk taker, obviously risky. Alright, and another word would be adventurous. Yes, it doesn't have to be a negative term. It could be something positive, so adventurous. And what else? Risky, adventurous. Someone who is brave, I would say. Brave. And someone who likes thrill. And it might involve a little bit of danger. So danger or dangerous activities or behaviors, and it could be also fun for a lot of people, right? So that is some of those categories involved with risk taking. Okay, let's go on to would I like to be on a safe side. I like to be on a safe side. Who would want to say those? Someone who is very careful. Yes, very good. Careful is the word. Careful, and someone who is cautious. You heard about the term caution, right? So this one is coming from the word cautious. So this is the adjective, cautious. And someone who is afraid of, be verb, afraid of something. Or someone who is scared of something. Alright, or most likely kind of the personality of someone who like to be on the safe side. So now take a look at the page 58, 13b unit, and then you can see the 3 different pictures in front of you. So the first picture, what can you tell? Just you can shout out the keyword, or you can also make it in a sentence. Tell me. So yes they are. Scuba diving. Yes, scuba diving. And what else? Where are they? They are in the ocean, right? Yes, they're deep down in the ocean or the sea. Very good. All right. And what else do you see there? What kind of animal do you see? All right, it's not a fish, and it is a shark, right? Jaws, yeah, in the movie Jaws, we saw sharks, right? So this is a shark, and what else? Where are those people? Are they just freely swimming around with the sharks? No, they are in a cage. They're like looking at the shark. Maybe they're researchers investigating the lives of the sharks, maybe. All right, so those kind of activity is shown on the picture 1. Okay, let's move on to the second picture. So, how can you tell me, how can you describe me the second picture? So, second picture, yes, there is a man. And what is the man doing? The man is what? Climbing the rocky mountain. Yes, climbing on the rock. So, in other words, we can call it, he is doing rock climbing. Very good. Okay, and what, so do you see any safety gear on him? Safety gear, I'm going to write it in red. Safety gears on him. Gears, another means we can call it equipment. Do you see any safety equipment that he's wearing? No. Then how is he climbing up the rocky mountain? Barehanded, without anything, right? So we're going to call it barehanded. Not bare. Okay, barehanded. He's got 2 hands, so I'm going to call it barehanded. Alright, so that's the second picture. Alright, the very last one. Okay, you know this one, right? Which one is it? Yes, not just jumping, bungee jumping. Yes, very good. Bungee jumping. Alright, and that person just flew out from the starting point, very top from the tall structure. Yes, so bungee jumping. And those people who has who has this kind of, I wouldn't say symptom, but a kind of syndrome cannot bungee jump. They cannot bungee jump. What can we tell them? In Korean, we call it 고소공포증. So in English, we're going to call it acrophobia. But it's a little bit of a difficult term. Phobia just means that you don't like, you hate something, right? Acrophobia, but it's a little bit of difficult word, so we easily call it the fear of height. So you can easily say, I have a fear of height, or I am scared of the height, I am afraid of the height, or you can also say, I have acrophobia, or in adjective term, I am acrophobic. That's another way. Okay, so that is just that are just first three pictures on the top of the page. Let's move on to the bottom of the page.